Well, did you know that the Burj Khalifa earned the highest record for the veritably stylish installation of an aluminum and glass facade with a height of 512 meters? Fascinating, isn't it? Would you like to know how it was built? Come check it out. Hey guys, welcome to another exciting video from our channel. Before we dive into the details about the construction of the Burj Khalifa, make sure you're subscribed to our channel for more such videos. That said, let's begin. The total cost to build the Burj Khalifa was about $1.5 billion, which is not high for the structure, so the height many structures around 300 scales in American capital costs this height. And this is often more terrible compared to One World Trade Center in New York City. Its cost was $3.9 billion. Excluding buildings in Dubai, the figure is ahead of other megastructures, while the bulk of the super towers in Dubai bring in only about $300 million. In just days since groundbreaking work started in January 2004, Burj Khalifa became the tallest freestanding structure within the world. Importing relatively tons were used to construct the concrete and steel foundation, which features 192 piles buried relatively 50 meters deep. Burj Khalifa's construction will have used a meter cubic of concrete and tons of soared rebar, and construction will have taken 22 million man-hours. At the height of construction, overworkers and contractors were on point a day, representing relatively 100 ethnicities. Architecture. The building consists of 3 rudiments arranged around a central core. The modular Y-shaped structure, with lapses each of its 3 bodies, provides an innately stable configuration for the structure and provides good bottom plates for domestic. 26 spiral situations drop the sampling of the palace incrementally because it spirals skyward. The central core emerges at the loftiest and culminates during the sculpted bucket. A YY-shaped plan maximizes views of the Arabian Gulf. Floor plan. Floor 9 to 16 will simply house the luxurious 1 and 2 bedroom Armani residences. Floors 45 to 108 are ultra-luxury private spaces. The company suites accommodate the maximum of the remaining bottoms. A meal piece from Site 122 that houses atmospheric and position 124, the public view of the palace in the upper Burj Khalifa. For the convenience of the homeowners, the mansion has been divided into sections with exclusive sky lounges in stands 43, 76, and 123 that feature state-of-the-art fitness facilities, including a jacuzzi on the 43rd and 76th floors. Interior. The interior design of Burj Khalifa public areas was done by the Chicago office of Skidmore, Owings & Merrill LLP, and was led by award-winning developer Nada Andrick. It features glass, chrome sword, and polished dark monuments alongside tableware travertine flooring, Venetian stucco walls, hand-wrought hair pieces, and gravestone flooring. The innards were inspired by original culture while staying aware of the structure's status as a worldwide icon in Hearthstone. Artwork. Over pieces of art from prominent Middle Eastern and transnational artists beautify Burj Khalifa, and thus the Gurdi Mohammed bin Rashid Boulevard. Numerous of the pieces were specially commissioned by MR to be a homage to the spirit of worldwide harmony. The pieces were named as a way of linking societies and communities, emblematic of Burj Khalifa being a world collaboration. Design. Skidmore, Owings & Merrill was the amateur establishment behind the planning and engineering of the tower. The design platoon developed what has come pertained to as a spiraling Y-shaped plan, which was used to shape the structural core of the structure. The design of wall and corridor corners means all of the perpendicular concrete is employed to support both graveness and side loads. As the structure spirals altitudinous, the bodies are set back to force numerous colorful bottom plates. These lapses indeed have the advantage of furnishing a special range to the tower for every differing bottom plate. Foundations. Still, you want to first dig deep, driving foundations down well below the face if you would like to produce high. The building's superstructure is supported by an outsized ferron concrete mat, which is consecutively supported by 192 buried ferroconcrete piles. The mat is 3.7 meter thick and was constructed in 4 separate pours, totaling boximeters, cube meter of concrete. Bauer Specialty of Bau, with Middle East foundations, took on the importance of the piling work, which needed Dulceville to be sunk for cast-in situ piles to a depth of 43 meters. Around cube meters of concrete, importing relatively tons, were poured for the foundations. That's like 18 Olympic-sized swimming pools, with 192 piles running to a depth of over 50 meters. Concrete and steel. Did you know that formerly over cube meters of concrete was employed in the development of the palace's foundations? The general construction process will have used cube meters of concrete and tons of stored rebar. Laid end to finish, the rebar employed in the palace would extend over 1/4 of the way around the world. This allowed for shorter construction time and provided the erecting an extended useful life, making it more sustainable. That's it for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such exciting videos. See you in the next one.